Hi viewers, welcome to Rajshri Fashions. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்து பனாரசி சில்க் sarees பார்க்க போறோம். அதே கூட நியூ டிசைன்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு 20 டிசைன்ஸ். So all are exclusive designs and lightweight பனாரசி soft silk sarees. So the sarees எல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம ஃபேக்டரியில இருந்து dispatch ஆகும். இது வந்து 4 days ஆகும். So நீங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்துட்டு before 5 o'clock ஆர்டர் பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு same day dispatching இருக்கும். இதெல்லாம் வந்து lightweight and for the wedding collections. So இதெல்லாம் வந்து வெட்டிங்க்கு நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்க sarees. So நீங்க just have a look of these sarees. Banarasi soft silk saree with full zari weaving, rich border and heavy pallu. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Saree will be dispatched same day before 5 o'clock and it will take 4 working days to deliver the saree. Blouse will be running blouse with the border. And this pallu. Next saree in multicolor square design. Lightweight Banarasi soft silk saree with full zari weaving, multicolor checked design. Blouse from this running blouse. Rich pallu, royal blue color with maroon color contrast border. Blouse contrast blouse with heavy embroidery, neck and sleeves and the back will also work करके. Next saree in grey combination. Rich pallu, soft silk with thread weaving, border full heavy and blouse running blouse with the self weaving jacquard design, and this will be the border of the blouse. Next design, light mustard color with pink pallu and pink border. Pallu will be rich pallu. And blouse will be running blouse. Just take the screenshot of this and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree, orange with red and green combination. Pallu will be checked design. Saree will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter running blouse. Soft silk Banarasi saree. Blouse will be running blouse. Just take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree in peach with red combination with the rich pallu. And blouse will be contrast blouse in raw silk. Next saree black with tomato pink color, soft silk and lightweight saree. This will be the pallu of the saree. And blouse contrast blouse in black color, raw silk fabric. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree Banarsi silk mint green with pink combination with rich pallu and heavy border. Lightweight saree. And blouse contrast blouse in pink color. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp this number given below. Next saree pastel color with silver zari and lightweight and very soft silk. And blouse will be in silver color.
आगे बोलने के लिए सुन लो।
2 मिनट स्टॉप कर।
वो आवाज आ जाएगा, लिखना शुरू करिए।
Pastel color saree with 4 combinations with silver zari weaving. Full designer saree, lightweight saree, Banarasi soft silk, and blouse will be in silver color. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below and place the order. Next saree in peacock blue color. Rich pallu and heavy border. Lightweight saree with checked design. And blouse will be a running blouse and sleeves border. Next saree, peach with pink combination, full designer saree, soft silk. This pallu will be full weaving, the backside finishing. And blouse will be contrast blouse. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree, and blouse will be in gold color brocade blouse. Next saree, rich pallu, and blouse will be running blouse in contrast combination. Thank you.